So what this is a like a thing to put your garden hose on when not in use. You can see right here on the side of the box, see how it just kind of rolls up in there. It actually has a little fitting right there for a nozzle to click onto, and that way the hose can run through it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, open this thing up, put it together, and we'll put a hose on it and see what it does. So let's do that now. Okay, so taking it out of the box here, you can see all the pieces it comes to, and it looks like you just snap a lot of this together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and snap this together, then I'll come back and show you the finished product once it's all put together. Okay, everybody, I just put it all together, and let me kind of walk you through what I found out here. So number one, there wasn't any instructions in the box, but check out on the actual top of the box. Here's step 1, 2, 3. So the instructions are actually printed on the box label here. So I guess they just didn't want to make them an instruction manual, but let me show you. It wasn't that hard. I pretty much still figured it out on my own. What you do, first thing you're going to do is take these two side pieces, put the bar in there, slide the bar in there. By the way, this all snaps together until you get right here, and this top U-shaped thing actually screws in, and all the screws are with it. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver. This right here is actually a handle to mount on the wall if you want to like hang it up. I'm not going to do that right now. What I'm going to use it for is I'm just going to put a hose on there. I like how it has all these quick connects to it. You'll screw that on the end of your water hose, on the other end of your water hose, and you are good to go. You will have to get a small hose that runs from here to like your faucet. So the water is going to come in here, go right there, and then you are set. And you can see how all of this works. This right here hooks in there. I do need to straighten that up, by the way, so that actually needs to be facing up. But it's pretty simple. Once you snap all this stuff together, the handle and all that, it just goes. Check it out. You guys see that? Let me grab a water hose, hook into this thing, and let's see what it does. Okay, so I have my garden hose here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hook this fitting in right here, just like that, get it nice and tight. And then what you're gonna do, so now it gives us a quick connect. You guys see right in there, right there? We are connected. Now let's go ahead and let's start rolling this thing up and see how it works. You know what? I didn't think this thing was going to be that good. I like the way that works right there, and I think that just fits on there like that. Now, on this end, see how they give you this quick connect here? There is a gasket in there. You're just going to screw this quick connect on this end, and now that gives you a quick connect hose. Well, that worked out perfect. And there you go. Let's go ahead. Let's hook a water hose. So another water hose is going to go in right here. Then we'll use this thing and see what it's all about. Okay, I'm over here at my water faucet. So now we're going to take this fitting, screw in right here, and you guys check it out. So that's going to go on there like that. Well, do I see any leaks or anything? Whoa, look at that. That works great, everybody. So now let's just see how this hose reel works. Oh yeah, look, say I want to water these plants, we are all good to go. See how I've got it ran from this hose running right there. Now that hose runs into there. So what it does, it just gives me that little extra length if I need to right here on the hose. Show you with water in the actual hose. So now there's water in it. Let's see how well it rolls up. Everybody, I'm impressed with this little hose reel. I think that thing's gonna work out great. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, you know, the small little garden hose reel. See you all in the next video.